Hello friends, as you can see in the video, I have an amazing idea for your garden today is a recycled plastic bottles decor. From used tires and old rubber boots to mason jars and plastic bottles, there are thousands of DIY projects you can complete in your own garden using any old bits and pieces you can find around your home. One of the most common discarded items to turn into gorgeous DIY projects are plastic bottles. Hopefully you have got a few of them floating around in your recycling bin. Much like mason jars, plastic bottles can be used for vegetables or herb planters. Simply turn the bottle on its side and using utility knife cut an oval out of the side of the bottle. Alternatively, you can cut the top of the bottle off and use the bottom as the planter. Fill the bottle with garden soil. Plant your seeds of choice, water carefully, and watch those plants grow. If you're one of those people who tend to neglect your plants, try making your own self watering planters using a few simple materials. Using a utility knife, slice the bottle roughly in half, poke a small hole in the cap of the bottle, and thread a length of the cotton string through the hole. Ensure the string is pulled to approximately halfway through the cap and knotted to keep the cap in place. Replace the cap on the top of the bottle. Fill the bottom of the bottle with water, invert the top and place it inside the bottle. The string should be resting in the water. Fill the top of the bottle with garden soil and add your plant or seed. The string will soak up the water and saturate the soil as needed. Another project you could try is a garden wall. To begin, cut out one side of the bottle near the top of the cutout. Poke a hole with a nail or screwdriver. Poke another hole on the other side of the bottle directly opposite the first. Repeat this step near the bottom of the cutout. Pass a rope or string through one set of holes. Next, tie a knot to ensure the bottles cannot slide further down the rope. So, same with the different rope through the other set of holes. Ensure the knots are even. For more videos, subscribe our channel and hit the like button. I hope so you like this video.